the video to be like 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna speed it up and I'm gonna show it to you guys after I'm done. So I'm gonna start. Alright guys, here's the final result of the house. You can use it if you want. It's not a very good house, but I tried my best. So, I hope today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!